Assalamu alaikum 6th class. Today's we are doing exercise number 5.1 question number 14. The statement of the question. Today's your diary is question number 13, 14 and 15. I will solve question number 14. You have to do question number 13 and 15 by yourself. The statement of the question as shown. So to solve this question, first we have to solve the win column. 4.4238 divided by 1.047 plus curly bracket 1.111 multiply by 9.261 divided by, we have to add these two terms. By adding, our answer becomes 7.777 bracket close curly bracket multiply by 1.01. The next step is we have to solve the small bracket. To solve small bracket, we have to divide 9.26 and 7.777. So 4.4238 as it is divided by 1.047 plus 1.111 multiply by the division of these two terms, our answer becomes 1.191 multiply by 1.01. So then the next we have to solve the curly bracket. To solve this bracket, we have to multiply 1.111 to 1.191. So after multiplication, our answer becomes, students, after multiplication our answer becomes 1.323 multiply by 1.01. 4.4238 divided by adding these two terms, our answer becomes 2.370 multiplied by 1.01. According to the mass rule, first we have to solve the division and then multiplication. So 1.866 multiplied by 1.01, 1.885. In the solution of these questions, students, you have the division which is not stop. So you have to solve only for 3 decimal places. Students, you have used only 3 decimal place and round off the third decimal place. In this case, our answer is 1.8846. So by the round off, our answer becomes 1.885. So you have to solve all this question, all the terms of this question, and take only 3 decimal places. Students, you have to solve this question by taking 3 decimal places, then round of the third decimal place, your answer becomes 1.885. You have to do the remaining parts by yourself. Today's your diary is exercise number 5.1, question number 13, 14 and 15. Thank you.